Hi everyone, Mark from Go Fast Hobbies and Raceway here with you on Throwback Thursday. Today, we're going to talk about the Losi Junior 2 buggy, sport kit, and the role it played in the hobby in the early 90s. So we're going to take a look at this thing. These buggies were produced all the way up until the very early 2000s. I was working in a hobby shop and still able to produce them. Losi was trying to get rid of all their older JRX 2 parts, and so some of these were kind of just a hodgepodge of what they had left over. So this kit is one of those, one of the later ones that were produced. So we'll take a look at inside of it and what is in this box. So Losi was really innovative with this. In the early 90s, there really wasn't anyone that was producing these buggies. It was a sport version. You could get them at the hobby shop for around $80 complete, minus electronics. So they're really the first ones to kind of pioneer that cheaper entry-level buggy. They did that with the JRX or the Junior 2 and T as well. So we'll look at this one. Comes with the manual. Yep. So we'll open it up, see if you find a decal sheet in here somewhere. There's the decal sheet she would have came with. So the original Junior 2 and Junior T came with just threaded rods for tie rod ends and turnbuckles. The later versions came with actual turnbuckles. So there's a little, I don't know what you want to call it, retrofitted manual here, updated to the manual. This one as well. Like you said, this is a later version. The original ones came with the white spoke wheels, as you see here in the pictures, and the pin tires and the ribbed fronts. These have the ribbed fronts, but has a step pin. I think that's a Jammin tire, which is one of their aftermarket tires they sold. So the later kits came with this stuff. Like I said, this kit was actually produced in the late 90s, early 2000s. I acquired this one new, I think in 2001, I do believe, from the hobby shop when Horizon Hobbies was blowing all this stuff out. So, shock bag. You see the shock. Oh, the shock is leaking. That's why it's inside this bag here. I was going to go through and reseal that up at some point, but it comes with that. This actually has a silicone shock oil. Like you said, it's a later kit. It has the fatter spring clamps. Comes with their silver springs. So put that back in here so it'll get on my counter. And we'll move on to transmission bag. The early kits came with 32 pitch gear and a black tranny case. This is the LRM tranny case, but it's done in material that the retrofit tranny cases were made out of. I always thought these were kind of neat because they were gray. Because of the Losi Performance motor plate that was stamped. The original Junior 2s had the one that said JRX 2 on it. This buggy came out shortly after the JRX Pro did, so as a sport buggy. And it does have all bushings. They did not come with bearings, so it's part of the sport version. You can see here's the red antenna mount, which the original one would have came with a black antenna mount. Has the front bulkhead, front and rear shock tires, which were molded. Comes with the H-arm kit, sliders here. You can see it comes with their newer rod ends that came on like the GTX, NXT, and the LXT. You can see the, I don't know if you can see the turnbuckles in there, but they're the newer ones that they had in these kits. We go into here, wing wire, wing buttons, all the same as the JRX series of buggies. Has a top brace, steering blocks, which this actually is kind of weird because they must have been trying to get rid of this stuff. Has the older servo saver. Some of these kits came with the rigid one. This one has the older one. Like I said, at the end of the 90s, they were trying to get rid of a lot of this stuff. You could buy these kits super cheap. I think I paid $50 for this one. And I got it from the hobby shop I worked at through Horizon Hobbies when they were blowing them out at the end. I wish I would have bought more of them, but just this one. Came with the wing, dust cover, Body. Oops, here. Pictures. Stuff over here. Comes with a brochure. Losi racing tires. I don't know if this has a trademark on it. So let me see the year. Yeah, 97. So these kits were made well into the 90s. I know this one I think came, like I said, from maybe early 2000s. Comes with a molded tub chassis. This is the first molded chassis they actually made before they made the slim line. This one actually has the recess for the retrofit training, is recessed here for the Servo Saber. The original chassis plates that were molded did not have this recess and did not have this recess here. That was added later on. So there's a couple different variations of the plate. But yep, so hopefully you like the videos, like and subscribe, like what we're doing. I look forward to seeing you guys on another Throwback Thursday. Till then, take care.